In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage DNS records using Hostinger's hPanel. This process is crucial for anyone looking to efficiently control their website's domain name settings, whether you're establishing a new site, modifying an existing setup, or troubleshooting domain issues. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to access the hPanel, Hostinger's custom control panel that makes website management straightforward and streamlined. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the hPanel dashboard. From here, let's navigate to the DNS Zone Editor. The DNS Zone Editor is your go-to tool for managing domain settings. On your dashboard, locate the Domains section. If you can't find it immediately, a quick use of the search bar should point you in the right direction. Click on it, and under this tab, you'll see an option labeled DNS Zone Editor. Click to open it. This is where most of your DNS management will take place. Next, we'll need to select the domain you want to work with. If you have multiple domains hosted on Hostinger, make sure to choose the correct one. This step is vital because making changes to the wrong domain could disrupt other websites or services you own. A drop-down menu or a list should appear displaying all your domains. Click on your desired domain to proceed. Now that you're in the DNS Zone Editor for your specific domain, you can add, edit, or delete DNS records. These records are configurations for your domain that control where internet traffic is directed. For instance, an A record maps your domain name to an IP address, while a C name allows you to alias one domain to another. MX records are critical for email management, and TXT records can verify domain ownership or enable additional features. To add a new record, simply fill in the required fields and click Add. To edit, click on the existing record and make your changes, then save. If you need to delete a record, look for the delete option next to it and confirm your choice. After you've made all necessary adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. It's easy to overlook this step, but saving ensures your new settings take effect. Once saved, you will need to wait for DNS propagation, which is the process of updating DNS records across the internet. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, depending on various factors. And there you have it. Managing your domain's DNS records in Hostinger's hPanel is a straightforward process that gives you control over essential domain settings. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.